Hello friends, welcome to this video. And as I had said earlier in my co-handle that the next video will be on you can say on an uh, offline extension or application that you can use as something to be as a time pass. um, about 3 or 4 months ago, I had made a video on Google Quick Draw, which was also in the you can say the arts genre, but that needs to be an internet support with that. But now we are gonna to make video on Chrome Canvas. Chrome Canvas is a extension that is an extension as well as a website also. I will paste the link of website in my description or in the you can say pinned comment. Chrome Canvas is an extension or website that is very useful for drawings. You can also make the drawings from the image. It's very good extension for drawing purposes. In my personal basis, I like it very much. First of all, I show you some you can say my some Picasso collections that I had made using this. This was something that I had made. I don't know what is this, a flower. I was due to make a flower, but I don't know what I had made. And the second thing, this is the China rose system or hibiscus also. This is the awesome. This is awesome drawing, I must say. And the next thing that was very was recent was this, the logo of YouTube. So rate this drawings first of all, then we're going to start with the video. Now the time for the next new drawing. For new drawing, you first of all I delete this one. On this new drawing, the blue color, you can say blue color. What is it? Tab. Blue color. This button you have to click over this, and now you can draw whatsoever you can draw. What you want to draw depends upon you. Hundreds of color you can I'm saying hundreds of, but it's 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 into 4 is equals to 24. 24 colors are provided to you, and you can make your custom colors also. That's very useful thing, and you can use it in pencil, pen, marker, chalk, and this is eraser. You can also set the opacity. You can also set the opacity and the size of which one you are using. Suppose this is the size and this is the opacity, and the opacity is, for example, very low. Opacity depends the you can say no, opacity means transparency rate, or in easy language. So I want to make something I cannot understand what to make. What should I make? YouTube logo I had made. What to do this time? Any guesses? Because I don't know what to do. And other time I'm making the idea to what to make. This no, this is not. This is. You can also download the images. That's very true. And you can also use the background in this. Like how? Let me show how. This is the you can say template in which you are creating your drawing, and on the left side, topmost left side, before the minimize option, you can see a layers option here, and in the second option, change the background color. Click over this, you can get many types of color. Suppose I may choose this one, or this one, or this one. Many type of colors are there, so you can also make like this to, or and the second option is of back custom color. Custom is something I don't like very much, but you can also make. Suppose I may choose this one. No, it's not at all looking very good, seriously. This yeah, it looks like something good. Oh, this is good, this one is good. Now it's connected, and what to do now? Actually, I was supposed to, before the starting of recording of this video, I was supposed to make the logo of my channel, the Vaigyanik logo, but I actually cannot, you can say, मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि लोगो क्या है मेरा. I don't remember what's my logo is. I only remember that the background is of blue color and something is like you can say technical type logo, and you can say yeah, so something downwards the logo, and there's something like name and one famous quote. That's Vaigyanic, and the quote is, I guess, think different, your little helper, like that. All you can see from my you can say social media handles, or that something, or that's all. So now I'm confused to what to make. What shall I make? Shall I make smiley a smiley emoji? Shall I make that? Yeah, let's start with that. First of all, we need to make a circle. Oh, that's very opaque. I need some good opacity. Why opacity is so dull? Oh, I now understand. We shall switch to the marker. This is the marker. Now, right. No, not at all looking good. I'm very good at drawing. Remember me. One video and quick draw. This is the most finest. What to do? First of all, I'm gonna change the background color because background color is irritating me. Now we choose the change the color of marker, and now make a circle. It's not a circle, not at all. It's a circle, and now we're going to make a circle here. Very. The concentration this circle needs. I haven't given that much concentration in my exams also. Done. Finally done. A good circle I had made. Now I want to make two eyes. Fish. Eyes are too small, I guess, no? So just remove the eyes now and make this a good size. This this could be the right size of eye. This one, okay. Now I want it to be smiley. Smile, please. Not that much small. This one is good. Smile. This is actually my face after my video gets more than 100 or 200 views. It's there are only 4 videos that got more than 100 views on my channel. One is unlisted and one another 3 are visible on my channel page. Now one thing is missing there. Yeah, background color is still missing, and the background color that usually emojis have is this one. This one is the background color. Yeah, first of all, may increase before increasing the size. I may. So actually, this virtual drawing needs the more concentration than the, you can say, then the no opacity 100%. Opacity is also no still let something only on 90, below 90. The opacity was below 90. Now it's good. It's having some good with me. No. Remove this all. Needs perfection. Yeah, I need perfection. Oh. If my art teacher sees this masterpiece, she will be about to beat me. Seriously. This is the masterpiece by me. Okay. Oh, okay. Concentration is needed here. No, I don't want to make here. My cursor did all things. Oh, okay. Nice. Here also. Here also. Here also. Making an emoji is such a concentrated thing. Video could be more than 15 minutes. Disclaimer and first. Oh, finally. Okay. Fill up this now. For arts, if you want to see the arts, there is one channel named as Garvit Nandwani Arts. You can visit there for the best piece of arts. If you don't see no. Seriously, I don't want to do this. If you want to see good piece of art, good quality of art, you can visit that channel. Like that channel in my description also. No, again not. His eyes are gutted. Oh, I don't want to make him blind now. That's why. This emoji is also very struggling. This was done by me only. Intentionally. Okay. No. First of all, I'm going to cover up this. Okay. Much concentration needed. More than the board's exams. Okay. And laughing. If you draws good, I'm saying it to my audience. So guys, please tell me anything that I could make my art good. One thing I could easily do that is I'm just wasting my time and yours also. Fill up this. Actually, I didn't use my brain in that thing. Now increase the size. Not that much. That much. Yeah, that's fine. And now change the color to black. Now here I put one eye, and here I put one eye. Same I could do with this also. I didn't use my brain. That's not good. This color. This was also not looking good, so you have to put this off. Okay. Nice. I'm the Leonardo da Vinci 2.0. Remember me, guys. I don't go on my drawing, but I'm Leonardo da Vinci. I'm the Leonardo da Vinci. This is my Mona Lisa. Finally, something I had made, and this is all I could make on my best efforts, with my best efforts. And if you could make better than me, so please comment or email me because I want some lessons from you on drawing. Just kidding. But if you want something good lessons from the drawing, you can visit the channel named as Garvit Nandwani Arts. I will paste that in the description also. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी पेस्ट करने वाला हूँ और चले जाना उसमें. अच्छे मतलब बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग सिखाते हैं भाई सब वो हमारे. और गर्वित नंदवानी आर्ट्स के नाम से चैनल है. सर्च करोगे तो टॉप रिजल्ट पे ही आएगा, मेरे तरह नहीं. खैर अपलोड्स उसने ज़्यादा नहीं कर रखे, लेकिन आर्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छी सिखाता है उसकी. अगर आप शॉर्ट्स देखना तो वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी होती हैं. जाना ज़रूर उस वाले चैनल पे. तब के लिए फ़िलहाल के लिए वीडियो में तो बस अभी इतना ही कर सकता हूँ मैं. इन दिस वीडियो दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू tell you guys. And if anything there will be confusion in the tutorial, I'm not saying, I'm seriously not saying about the drawing. My drawing is good at my level. In my view, I'm Leonardo da Vinci. And now what to say, this is the end of video. About 15 minutes of the videos, and myself becoming the Picasso and Leonardo da Vinci. making the Mona Lisa, and my Mona Lisa is like this, a smiling Mona Lisa. And I'm going to give you a bye with my smiling face, with this smiling face. Till then, thanks for watching.